In 2000, successful local entrepreneurs John and Wilson established Rezt+Relax Interior, a Case Trust accredited and ISO qualified company. Rezt+Relax Interior is one of the first to give insurance bond and the first company to offer lifetime warranty while obtaining the coveted Singapore Quality Brand and Singapore Quality Class awards. We are proud having renovated over 10,000 homes to date. We believe behind every good design is a good designer. And our customers are always at the heart of what we do.
Your dream home starts with us.
And nothing motivates us more than knowing we can change lives.